Hi, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect thin bagels.
And as usual, they are cut in half, but not all the way. So before you cut them all the way, a good thing to do is to score the bagel so that you can make a thin bagel with equal halves or equal quarters. We're going to do just about like that. Then you go ahead and complete the cut through the bagel and put this in a toaster. Most toasters have a hotter side, which is on the outside. We'll do that. And this toaster has a bagel setting. We'll put it there, and we're also going to put it at 3. In this case, it's 3 out of 7, and toast it. Notice that the bagels have come up at approximately 3 minutes. You take those out and notice that they're nicely browned here. Now, what I do is that then I find that scoring that I put on the bagel and use my bread knife just to go ahead and complete the bagel cut to make it a thin bagel. And notice that the knife just glides down through the soft center, giving us 2 equal halves. And now we have 4 quarters, approximately equal. I'm going to put the brown side toward the center and the soft side toward the hottest portion, like so. First one and then the other. I'm going to put the thinner portion in first, so that I can position it on the tines so it doesn't slide down. And then I'm going to put the thicker portion, soft side outward, position it correctly, put it back on bagel, make sure it's on 3, and push it back down. You want to keep an eye on the bagels so that they don't burn. There we go. And that was approximately 2 minutes until they're done. Now let's take a look and see what we've got here. Look at that, really very nice. One side, a little bit toasty there on that side, but really very good if you like them toasty. There we go, perfect there. And for the thinnest part, a little bit more brown. Those are excellent. Here I'm putting some butter on one, half of it, and on the other half, and on the other half some cream cheese. That is perfect. I hope you find this interesting. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And when you do, press the bell next to the subscribe button and you get my future videos. Thanks for watching.